Your bathroom, your way. Dream it and make it happen during the 19th Annual Early Bird Home Show at the Board Store. Remodeling a bathroom is a lifetime decision. Enjoy the look you want with a design that will serve you now and in the future. Find a full selection of all you need in one location. Tubs, showers, cabinets, toilets, countertops, fixtures, and flooring. Designers to help plan, carpenters, plumbers, and electricians to get it done. Only a shower or a full remodel. One team does it all. The Early Bird Home Show at the Board Store.